the Jordan, Jesus stood. The Spirit came as heaven would. A voice from heaven then was heard. My beloved Son declared the word. Light of Christ, shine in our hearts. Guide us where your love imparts. In your light we clearly see you are life and truth for me. At Cana's feast, the wine was gone, but Mary trusted in her Son. Water turned to wine that day, and faith began to light the way. The light of Christ, shine in our hearts, and guide us where your love imparts. In your light we clearly see you are life and truth for me. Jesus walked from town to town, teaching love and mercy shone. Turn your hearts and follow me. God's kingdom now is close, said he. Light of Christ, shine in our hearts. Guide us where your love imparts. In your light we clearly see you are life and truth for me. On the mountain bright with light, Jesus shone in glory white. Listen to my beloved Son, spoke the Father, Holy One. Light of Christ, shine in our hearts. Guide us where your love imparts. In your light we clearly see you are life and truth for me. At the supper Jesus gave bread and wine, his love to save. This is my body given